some good points, but things got out of hand, and you stabbed her with your knife, Sid, and... Yeah, I think that's it.
This is awful. We have to call the police. I have to turn myself in.
Whoa, murderer. Don't you think that's a little selfish? What would your family do without you?
But I killed my friend. How can I live with myself?
Don't worry, honey. I'll help you put this horrible business behind you. Trust me, honey. This is the best way. We have to destroy the body so you won't be implicated. There. Now you have closure, and our grass will be green all winter.
Hey, where's your nose, Kevin? Shouldn't you be out raping the starstruck masses with it?
Nose? What are you... Oh, that. Yeah. Look, I really owe you guys an apology. I lost sight of what's important. It's not what you have right here. It's what you have right here. Oh, that's where my heart is.
You were a real jerk, Roger.
Guilty. And the worst part is, it almost cost me my friends. Hugs!
In celebrity news, movie star Kevin Bacon was involved in a hit-and-run accident today right here in Langley Falls.
What?
The whole incident was captured by a nearby traffic cam.